Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I will show you how we can write our first Apex programming in Salesforce definitely. So as soon as you log into your Salesforce, you just need to click on this gear icon and go to Develop Console. So basically, Developer Console is a place where you can write with Apex code. This is like the Salesforce native development console. So let's debug our first statement. Just click on debug and open Xpert on LMS window. Here, whatever we want to print or debug, we can write the statement here. For example, I change my first Apex program and the class should be figure and you just need to can execute. So once you have executed, we'll get the logs here. You need to open the ROM. Just click on debug. So this figure plus Apex program debug straight in. And let's run one more. This time we're going to click on open logs. If I want to print these many times, I guess me to click on include. You see, we have all the details here. Let's say I want to execute any specific line. You see, you can select this line and you can click on exhibit highlight. You see, you can execute a single line action. I think that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next video.